Part 7. Here we get a spooky dark tunnel. And here is the exit to the spooky dark tunnel. But it's still spooky. The spookiest tunnel you've ever seen. It's called Spookiana Trench. And here we see some trees praying for something. Just look at them. You see, if you spot an animal, I don't know where it is, but you're the only one that can find it. Find something there. Caught, eh? Something will be out of your ordinary. Can you spot it? Nothing, right? Because there's non-animals in here. Go farther and you'll see one. And then we just look on your left and we see a scary cat there. And on your right we see a calabaw. And here we see that restaurant. You don't see me. And then we see him. Yep. So this is on the video. On your back we see this view. So guys, look up here forward on the south. You see this yellow house. So here we see this yellow house on your south. And here we got some Beyblades. So back, here we are. There's something a problem. Spooky hacker hacked it. Spooky hacker is the hacker of everything, you know? You know that? Spooky hacker is the hacker of everything. You know that? No. And here on your left, we see these palm trees for something. Just look at the zoom. Look at the zooms. It's like a zoo. Hear me? It's a zoo. It's spooky. Here we got unknown call. Unknown call. So here.
Andito sa may outpost. Dilaw. Elementary school? Hindi, nasa ano ba to? Barangay hall? Yung kulay dilaw na ano. Wala po ba sa elementary? Sa school na elementary? Hindi po namin alam yung elementary school, ma'am. Lumabas daw kayo, sabi ni Ate Marico, nakasunod daw kayo sa kanya. Oo nga po, hindi po namin alam yung elementary school.
Here,
teka lang. Sige po.
So just here and walk. So it ends from the spooky hallways. So here we see someone there for a secret hacker code. And here we see this tree that's hiding some secret grass behind it. So here is the part 8. Bye-bye.